Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one today. Ooh, you seen that? That bike just flew by. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got some guy flying on a bike. I've never reacted to any chases on a bike, so this gonna be your first time. Smash the like button. Shout out to LRX and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. This trooper ain't gonna be able to catch up, I don't think. That charger only goes 155. Yeah. So I mean, if he keeps it at 175, the trooper ain't gonna catch him. That's pretty risky, you know. You're risking everybody's life and yours, most importantly. But I guess people are speed demons. I don't see that bike. This cop just got to speed for a shift, you know what I mean? Get the whole adrenaline kick out of his shift. Okay, I see something up there. I see him. I see him. He's splitting lanes. Riding in between cars. Stuff's flying. Is he throwing stuff at the trooper? Is he gonna pit the motorcycle? Are they that hardcore? Like, they'll pit a motorcycle? Or they'll just chase it? He's obviously not pushing the motorcycle to the max, so he's gonna be closed in on. These motorcycle chases are intense. I'm gonna have to do another one. 175 is a speed I've really never even heard on this show where I watch police chases. If you don't know, on the show where I watch police chases, if the cops catch the speeder or the, you know, I mean, whatever, the person breaking the law, the reason why they turned on their lights, if they catch it, I clap it up for them and I eat a donut. I don't think this is gonna end well. Somebody's gonna end up hurt. I hate to say that, but it's just inevitable at these speeds. And it's pitch black dark. I didn't see not a light on that bike. Nothing reflecting, you know what I mean? I got on my friend Joe's moped and hit the wrong brakes and wrecked out. Skinned my knee up and everything. So I can't even handle like a 50cc. I still want a 50cc, like something automatic. A moped that looks like something fast, like how this guy's being reckless on. Then I'll step it up, get a motorcycle license and whatnot. For now, I think a moped's enough for me.
Let me see your hands! Hands now! Hands! Boy, roll over now! I don't care if it hurts. Roll over! Shoulder. Stay where you're at. Hey, listen. Be quiet. Be quiet. Do you have any weapons?
No, sir. Oh, can you please get off my shoulder?
No, you're staying on your shoulder right now. That's all that's hurting you.
My shoulder.
Listen. Be quiet. You listen? Be quiet.
Hey, shut up so we can help you.
Handcuff him up front. Be quiet. That was stupid, wasn't it?
I'm going to prison.
Probably.
Join it. Hey, you should outdrove me on that, but you can't do it, can you?
I can.
You can?
I can.
Here's some handcuffs.
Can you please get this helmet off of me?
Yep, sure will, buddy. Okay, have you got it? What's your name?
Jacob Ross.
Jacob.
10-4 County has 10-16, 10-19, and deputies are also 10-19.
Damn it. God damn it.
Lay down.
Wait, can you get my... Someone's calling me. Hold
Hey,
on.
well, it doesn't matter,
It
right?
does matter to me.
Shut your mouth.
Your phone does not matter. All right? You got overalls on?
Yes.
Please. Keep your hands.
Ow, stop pulling my
Just keep your hands where they are. It's real simple, bud.
God damn it. Is my bike okay?
No, it's destroyed.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You wrecked it.
Can you please get off mine like that? I'll stop
Hey,
moving if you please.
Look, when you'll do what you're told, I will do that for you.
I didn't even see you behind me.
You didn't see us behind them. Why were you blacked out driving that way? Just for the fun?
Because I'm trying to get home, bro. I got lost in Greenland.
You got lost in Greenland, so you're looking for us.
I didn't even see you.
Calling in 10-64 to 11-31.
Why don't these bikes never see us?
Oh, yeah, he didn't.
I don't have mirrors.
Shut your freaking mouth. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of hearing you. Shut your mouth.
Can you please
No.
get off my fingers,
No, because
man?
you're not doing what you're told.
I'm sitting
They got a
here.
10-16.
Yeah, it's coming.
So we got an ambulance on the way.
Bring that flashlight over here, please. I couldn't find mine.
Oh.
Maria. Yeah. Right there. Where's your ID at?
In my back pocket.
Your back pocket? Like your actual jeans or your overall?
Wow.
Can I reach through them and get them here if they got to reach through?
Can I do it?
Nope.
No, you
You
can't.
cannot. You're fine.
No, the fuck, I'm not.
You keep wanting to roll your hands over either anyway.
This not funny.
God. We got an ambulance checked out, okay?
What? You do that to get up? I just wrecked my bike and you're pushing up on me.
No, you ran from
I'm not
us.
pushing anything.
No, I
He's
wasn't talking.
He's
to
talking.
you. Sorry.
Hey, I can reset your camera. Reset your camera.
Will we at least get to see the suspect?
Hey,
They probably threw him right in the car. Okay. Damn. I don't even know what to say. So it says this guy is 19 years old. Just a complete idiot. A complete idiot. And I hope he's okay. And I said this in the last couple of videos that I watched. What type of sentence are these people looking at? Are they... I mean, he knows. You're probably going to prison. That's crazy. Let's clap it up for ASP. Y'all got the donut, man. That's... Yeah, I mean, because it could have ended a lot worse. I bet these cops see some messed up stuff. You know what I mean? These bike guys, and they just trying to get them to stop. You know what I mean? Chill out. But no, they don't. They turn up. And you'll turn up split in half under a freaking tree if you keep up that behavior. But I'm glad to see the guy was all right, and he was just able to just nag about the pain and get put in the police car. I don't know what type of bike that was. We don't got all the information. But this is my first police chase with a bike. If y'all like this video, hit the subscribe button. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
Niggas crashing out, they addicted to the red key. Bad little bitch in my phone tryna sex me. She don't know that I got the neck from her bestie. I could have that bitch in a party, they don't check me. Jump out the phantom, then hop in the Celeste. I get on the beat, then I slide like a jet ski. Nigga, get your bitch done.